Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about fitting shop most expected Viva questions. I will try my best to cover all possible Viva questions, so let's get started. Firstly, what do you mean by fitting? Fitting is a process of assembling various parts after bringing dimensions or shape to require size. What are the different operations you have performed in fitting shop? We have performed various operations like measuring, marking, punching, drilling, grinding, filing, and tapping. What is the material used in fitting shop? We have used mild steel flat strip, mild steel rod, mild steel nuts in fitting shop. What is the composition of mild steel? Mild steel contains majority of iron, almost 99%. It also contains carbon, 0.05 to 0.25%, manganese, 0.3 to 0.6%, and various other elements like silicon, sulfur, and phosphorus. Which one among mild steel and cast iron have more percentage of carbon? Cast iron have more percentage of carbon, generally 2 to 4%. Mild steel only contain 0.05 to 0.25% of carbon. What are the various machines used in fitting shop? We have used two machines in fitting shop. Those are drilling machine and grinding machine. What is the use of grinding machine? A grinding machine is used in a fitting shop to smooth, sharpen, and shape metal parts. It helps remove rough edges, polish surfaces, and sharpen tools like drills and chisels. Since grinding gives a fine finish, it ensures parts fit together perfectly. It's also useful for hard metals that other tools can't cut easily. What is the use of drilling machine in fitting shop? A drilling machine in a fitting shop is used to make holes in metal workpieces. Which part of drilling machine is used to drill a hole in workpiece? Drill bit is used for drilling a hole in workpiece. Which part of drilling machine helps in connecting drill bit to the machine? The chuck is the part of the drilling machine that holds and connects the drill bit to the machine. What is the need to add water while drilling a hole? Water is added due to four main reasons. Firstly, it helps in extending life of the drill bit. Secondly, it helps in reducing overheating. It also acts as a lubricant. And finally, it removes the unwanted dust produced while drilling. What are the various holding tools used in fitting shop? Explain in brief about them. We have used bench vise in fitting shop. Bench vise is used to hold the workpiece. It contains a movable jaw and a fixed jaw. It also contains a handle, which is connected through spindle. What material is used to make a bench vise? The body of bench vise is made up of cast iron, while the jaw that is movable jaw and fixed jaw, as we talked earlier, are made up of high-carbon steel. What is the use of surface plate? Explain in brief. A surface plate is made up of cast iron. It is a cuboidal plate used for testing flatness of object. It helps in providing uniform, level surfaces. What are the various marking tools used in fitting shop? The various marking tools used in fitting shop are scriber, dot punch, and center punch. What is the use of scriber? A scriber is a steel tool used for marking the position. It have a pointed side, which is used to scratch fine, accurate lines on metal. What is the difference between center punch and dot punch? The pointing angle is 60 degree for dot punch, but 90 degree for center punch. Dot punch is used for making precise reference points, while center punch is used for creating a deeper dent before drilling. Dot punch is commonly used for marking lines. However, center punch is used for preparing holes for drilling. What are the various measuring tools used in fitting shop? The various measuring tools used in fitting shop are tri-square, caliper, steel ruler, and vernier caliper. What is the use of tri-square? Tri-square consists of a blade made up of steel, which is attached to a base at 90 degree. The base, also known as stock, is made up of cast iron. Tri-square is used to provide right angles and also to measure straightness of surfaces. What is the least count of vernier caliper? For standard vernier caliper, the least count is 0.1 millimeters. What is the use of caliper? Caliper is used to measure the diameter of the surface. There are two types of caliper. One is inside caliper and other is outside caliper. Inside caliper is used to measure the inside diameter, and outside caliper is used to measure the outside diameter. What are the various cutting tools used in fitting shop? Hacksaw is the cutting tool used in fitting shop. What is a hacksaw? Hacksaw is used for cutting metal by hand. It consists of a frame, which is made up of mild steel, and a blade, which is made up of high carbon steel. The frame is used to hold the blade firmly in position. The best cutting angle for hacksaw is 118 degrees. What are the various finishing tools used in fitting shop? A file is used as a finishing tool in fitting shop. What are the different type of files? Also differentiate between them. There are two types of file. One is single cut file and other is double cut file. Single cut file is used for giving finishing to the workpiece, while double cut file is used for removing heavy material from the workpiece. Both the files are made up of high-graded steel. What is filing process? Filing is done to remove the unwanted portion or to finish the shape of workpiece. What are the different type of filings? There are three different type of filings. These are straight filing, cross filing, and draw filing. If the filing is done in a straight path, then it is known as straight filing. If it is done at an angle to the workpiece, then it is known as cross filing. And if it is done in perpendicular direction to workpiece, then it is called draw filing. Which type of filing is done for most and least metal removal? Cross filing is done for most metal removal, and draw filing is done for least metal removal. What is the use of file card? File card is used for cleaning the file surfaces after it has been used to remove the material from the workpiece. What are the various striking tools used in fitting shop? A hammer is the striking tool which is used in fitting. What are the different type of hammers that can be used in fitting shop? There are three types of hammers which can be used in fitting shop. These are ball pin hammer, cross pin hammer, and straight pin hammer. What is tapping process? Tapping is a process of cutting threads inside a hole. It is done so that screw or bolt can be fixed into hole. That's it from my side. If you like the video, do let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.